there. This is where eternity begins. Beneath the sun's soft golden glow, a garden wakes where dreams still grow. Petals whisper secrets in the breeze, a symphony of calm beneath the trees. Clematis cascades like a bridal veil, each bloom a story, each leaf a tale. The world stands still as shadows play. In this quiet haven, time slips away. Oh, the colors dance so pure, so bright. They paint the canvas of morning light. Every stem, every vine, a melody. Nature's harmony sings to me. Eternal bloom, forever you'll stay in my heart, through night and day, through dappled skies and whispered rain. Your beauty lingers, free from pain. Eternal bloom, oh how you forever blooming, forever alive. It would call through night and day, through dappled skies and whispered rain. Your beauty lingers, free from pain. Sunlight filters warm and kind, casting patterns on heart and mind. Each flower breathes a soul set free, a testament to eternity. When shadows fall and seasons fade, your essence remains unafraid. From ancient walls to open skies, you teach us life never truly dies. Even in darkness, even in doubt, your light will guide me out. Let the wind carry your sweet refrain through valleys low and mountain chains. Eternal blue,